Hey everyone, I'm Hani, back with the new topic again here. First of all, I welcome all of you to my channel. I belong to Department of CSE AI, studying in SVCE semester 4. The subject here is again DBMS, Database Management System. The topic to discuss here is normal form. Let's start it. Normal form in DBMS, nothing but database management system. Introduction to normal form. Normal forms are guidelines for designing relational databases. They help eliminate redundancy and improve data integrity. Understanding normal forms is essential for effective database design. What is normalization? It is a process of organizing data in a database. How simple it is, because it aims to reduce data redundancy and dependency. Normalization typically involves dividing large tables into smaller ones. It is an easiest way to transfer the very big large tables into the smaller ones. Like you can look into the picture how a student table is solved in a normal form. Normal form is almost a most basic level of normalization. You can look into the picture of the first table, like the student table, which includes only the student ID plus name, subject with the grade. But when it comes to 1NF, one normal form, the rules for achieving one normal form is student ID with his name, subject, grade all together. Yes, like each column in the table should contain only atomic values, which means that a single cell should contain a single value and not a list of values. There should be no zero repeating groups of data, as you can look into the picture in the form of an example. First normal form 1NF. A table is in 1NF, it has a primary key and contains atomic values. This means that each column must hold indivisible values. Repeating groups or arrays are not allowed in 1NF, as you can look into the example mentioned in the picture. 2NF, second normal form. A table is in 2NF if it is in 1NF and all non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on the primary key. This eliminates partial dependencies on composite keys. Achieving 2NF often involves creating additional tables to segregate the data. 3NF, third normal form. A table is in 3NF if it is in 2NF and all the attributes are only dependent on the primary key. This means that there are no transitive dependencies among the attributes. 3NF reduces further redundancy by ensuring that no non-key attribute depends on another non-key attribute. Boyce Codd normal form BCNF. It is a stronger version of 3NF that addresses certain anomalies. A table is in BCNF if it is in 3NF or every determinant is a candidate key. Boyce Codd normal form is particularly useful for handling complex relationships in the data. Fourth normal form, which is nothing but 4NF. A table is in 4NF if it is in BCNF, Boyce Codd normal form, and does not have multi-valued dependencies. Multi-valued dependencies occur when one attribute determines another attribute independently of others. Achieving 4NF allows for more efficient data storage and the retrieval. 5NF. A table is in 5NF if it is in 4NF and every joint dependency is a consequence of the candidate keys. This normal form deals with cases where information can be reconstructed from smaller pieces of data. 5NF always aims to ensure that the data can be split without losing the information. Benefits of normalization. Normalization improves data integrity by minimizing redundancy. It enhances database performance through efficient data organization. A well-normalized database is easier to maintain and update over time. As we can look here, the implementation of normalization and denormalization. Normalization decomposes data into different tables to reduce the redundancy, wherein denormalization combines the data to improve the access time. Query execution speed. Normalization speeds up data update, delete and write operations is higher, wherein denormalization speed of read operation is higher but that of update and write operation is slower. Memory consumption. When it comes to normalization, the memory consumption is less as data redundancy is less. But then memory consumption in denormalization is more as redundancy is introduced here. Number of tables. Number of tables in normalization is more on account of decomposition of data, wherein combines tables and hence number of tables are less in denormalization. Data integrity is maintained in normalization, wherein data integrity might not be maintained in denormalization. By concluding the session, let me tell you that understanding normal forms is critical for effective database design. Each normal form builds upon the previous one to enhance organization. Striving for higher normal forms can lead to better database performance and integrity. As you can look into the table, like considering an example of employee table which includes employee number, yes, employee number, employee name, employee department, like department number, which can be subdivided into two tables again, like employee number, employee name, employee number with department number. Yes, okay, like it is nothing but it denotes the primary key and the foreign key. By concluding the session, thank you. I hope you liked my YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe it.